about the next data type that we have in Apex, which is date. So date data type is basically used to store a date value into a date variable, and how we can do that is just like this. So date d1. So this is basically a variable that we have created of date data type, and like if we want to assign a value into this date variable, then we can use different methods that are available into the date data type, which are like date.today. So this method basically returns the current date or today's date into this d1 variable. And if you want to like if you want to assign a specific date to this d1 variable, then in that case you can use the method date.newInstance. And this date.newInstance method contains or like takes three parameters or three arguments. The number one is year, then the month, then the day, and that's it. So over here I have assigned 2018 01, that is January, and 01, that is date or day, and this date will be assigned to this d1 variable. And now let me explain you different methods that we have available in this date data type, which are like d1.to start of month. So now like this d1 variable is shifted to the start of the month, and what is the start of this month? This is already 1st January 2018. So like this is the start of the year, and obviously this is going to be the start of the month. So it will return January 2018 and 01 or 01 January 2018. And start of the week, so like what is the date in which this week got started? So this is 2017 12/31. So that means this was Tuesday. And the next method is d1 is equals to d1.add days 5. So what I'm doing over here is with the help of d1.add days 5, I'm adding 5 days into the date which is present onto the d1 variable. So which results into 2018 January and 6. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is the reason it is like this. And even if we like we do not use add days method, if we use just any integer, if we like add with the help of plus operator an integer with a date, then in that case the days will be automatically added to that particular date implicitly. You do not have to care about it. So these two, d1.add days 5 and d1 plus 5, are one and the same thing. And then comes d1 is equal d1.add months. So if you want to add months, so just use this method as 4. So over here, as you can see, 11th and then 11th of May 2018, and in here add years, we have added 6 years. So 2018 goes to 2024, which is 2024 05 and then 11. That's how data type works.